Very good evening. Christmas trees are popping up all over the city, a sure sign of summer. We've got another mild day tomorrow, but we are expecting some heat on Friday and Saturday. The sky scan shows a bit of smoke or haze around early today. There was also some high cloud that decorated the sky for a while, but most of that cleared off during the afternoon and it's pretty sunny outside at the moment. The maximum temperature got to 24.7 degrees. That was at 18 minutes to 1 this afternoon. The overnight minimum 12.9 at 14 past 5. It's back to 20 at the moment with the sea breeze at 20 kilometres an hour. The barometer a little over 1,014 hectopascals and it's fairly steady. The relative humidity 57%. Out to the east today it got to 32 degrees at Northam, 28 at Bullsbrook. Most locations were 25 degrees or less and the lowest was 21 on Garden Island. And that was the equal lowest in the state today, and the only other location to record 21 was Cape Leeuwin. Up in the North Kimberley it got to 42 degrees at Wyndham and the cold spot overnight was Jarrawood with a minimum of 5 degrees. The heaviest fall of rain in the 24 hours up until 9 o'clock this morning came from Cygnet Bay up in the northwest Kimberley. That was 62 millimetres and there were a few falls down into the interior. Warburton had around 10 millimetres. Now the series of satellite photographs shows that activity. It also shows a cold front approaching the southwest corner of the state. Since 9 this morning, the best falls have been back in the Kimberley region. Mount Barnett Station has had 30 millimetres and there's been light falls at Fitzroy Crossing and Halls Creek and a further 18 millimetres at Warburton. Onto the chart and you can see the front moving through. With that there is a strong wind warning for coastal areas from Two Rocks around to Eucla, and on the west coast there is another strong wind warning from Jurien Bay to Coral Bay to cover the southerly with the ridge of high pressure coming in behind it. Rainfall, that weak front will produce some light showers southwest of a line from Perth to Bremer Bay. They will contract to the southern coastline pretty early in the day, and up in the north they're expecting showers and thunderstorms to continue in the Kimberley, the Pilbara, the interior and also the Eucla division. There are fire weather warnings tomorrow for the goldfields and that's where the fire danger is extreme tomorrow. Fire weather warnings also for the Gascoyne, the interior and the Eucla division. Here are your temperatures and many locations are expecting some precipitation, although around the southwest corner it is going to be reasonably light. Up in the north, very hot for Kununurra, 43 degrees, 38 in Newman, but near the south coast, 19 expected at Albany. Around the nation, showers or storms are expected in Darwin, Alice Springs and Brisbane tomorrow. Sydney could pick up an early shower and Adelaide a late shower. The other cities should be fine. On the waters, the winds will become strong during tomorrow. South to southwesterlies at 15 to 20 knots, reaching 20 to 30 knots late in the day. In the evening, they'll be going south to southeasterly behind the front and seas between 1 and 2 metres. The southwesterly swell between 1.5 and 2.5. High tides, 0.9 of a metre at 5 minutes past midnight. Low tide tomorrow, 0.6 of a metre at 24 minutes to 11. The forecast for Perth is for the chance of an early light shower. Shouldn't put anything significant in the rain gauge, so if you haven't watered you probably are going to have to. The afternoon's going to be mostly sunny. We'll have moderate to fresh southwesterly winds. We're expecting a minimum of 14 and tomorrow's top 24 degrees. Thursday should be a sunny day and we take a big jump up to 31 degrees. Friday even hotter, up to 37 degrees. Saturday looks like it's going to be hot and mostly sunny too with 35 degrees. Sunday and Monday it looks like a middle level disturbance is going to come through and produce some light precipitation. Could be a good fall next Monday night into Tuesday, but we'll talk about that tomorrow.
Okay, thanks very much, Michael. Now, before we go, one US airport has gone the whole hog to take the stress out of travel this Christmas. Lilu, the therapy pig, has begun patrolling San Francisco airport, greeting people and performing tricks. She can shake hands, twirl and even play a toy piano. So far, it seems the Globe-Trotter is leaving travellers tickled pink. And that's all from the Perth newsroom for now. Thanks for your company. Star and 10 for Family Feud. Good night.
Good night.